Hi everyone. So myself Anas and I'm presenting you this question in the special series by IMS. Please pause the video, give your best shot and then join me back for the discussion. I hope you have tried this question. Let's discuss now. The question is saying that there are total 12 participants and you have to code them such that you can code them by using one letter or two letters in alphabetical order. So for example, if you decide to code a person by A and C, then the code will only be AC. It cannot be CA as per the question. If you decide a person to code with, let's say, N and B, then there is only one code you can make by using two letters, that is in the alphabetical order, that will be BN. Okay, and NB cannot be the code of a person, because whenever two letters are there, to make a code, they must be in the alphabetical order. This is the first thing we need to understand. Now, question is saying what is the least number of letters that can be used if there are 12 participants? Interesting point to observe, right? Let's do reverse engineering. So from one letter, right, how many people you can code? Let's say you have A. Only one person you'll be able to code. If you have two letters, let's say A and B, how many person you can code, right? You can give A to first person, B to second person, and then AB to the third person. Hence, three people you can code. Now tell me, if you have three letters, how many participants will you able to code? Now think with me slowly. You can give A to first person, B to second person, C to third person. Then what you will going to do is, you will going to start making pairs of them, right? You will start making pairs, right? With order does not matter. So order does not matter means I will not write AB and BA again. So if I have chosen two letters, then there will be only one code, that is AB. Similarly, BC. Similarly, AC. I cannot say that I can also make a code BA. No, not acceptable. Already discussed, right? Question I've clearly mentioned, the person who have two letter code, the code will always be in the alphabetical order. Therefore, in whatever order I choose, AB, right? If I'm making a code by using two letters, there will only be one way that is allowed, and that is the alphabetical order. So if I'm choosing A and B, there is only one way to make a code, that is A. Hence, you cannot generate a different code by interchanging the position or by doing the arrangement. Hence, when by arrangement, there is no new case able to generate. This means order does not matter. Okay. And I think now you must be able to understand where I'm going with this. So after giving the letters, one letter to one person, what you do is you give two letters to one person. That means whatever number of letters are available, you try to make pairs out of them. Okay. And to select two things out of n things, number of ways are nothing but NC2. Yes or no? To select two things out of n things, number of ways are nothing but NC 2 ways, right? NC 2 ways. Okay. I hope you remember, to select R things out of n things, it's NCR. Okay. Now, why I'm using C? Because C to be used when order of selection does not matter. Okay. And you can see that, right? When I'm selecting A and B or B and A, it does not matter, right? Because ultimately there will be only one code going to be formed, that is AB. So whatever order I choose, for example, I choose C first or B later, does not matter, because while making the code, they will be placed automatically as BCO. So whether you choose C or B first, C first, B later, or you choose B first, C later, does not matter. The code is only a unique one, right? So you can see that order of selection does not matter. For example, in whatever order you choose a letter, right, the final code is the same. Right? I will give you one more example. Let's say there are letters A, B, C, D, and you want to choose B and D, right? Now, if you choose B or D or B, does not matter, because in both the cases the code will be BD only. Hence, order of selection does not matter, right? Whatever order you choose, there will be only one way accepted, right? Okay, that's why we are using NC. Perfect. Now I think we are able to understand this. So from three letters, what can I conclude is we can make 3 plus 3C2 codes, right? Yes or no? Because what I did at the end is nothing but I tried to make pairs out of the available letters. Right? So from three letters, how many pair of two letters can be formed? 3C2. Okay, 3C2. I'm quickly writing it out the formula for NCR. It's nothing but n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. A shortcut way of writing is, for example, 3C2. Just write 3 factorial up to 2 terms, divide by whatever is here, that factorial. That is a shortcut. Okay, perfect. Now let's move on to the option and we'll solve option by option. So if number of letters are 4, how many participants I can code? So I can give A to first person, B to second person, C to third person, D to fourth person, and then I will start making pairs out of those 4 letters, right? And order of choosing the letter will not going to matter, right? Because in that pair of code, there is only one possibility, that is the alphabetical order. So if I choose A first, B later, or B first, A later, does not matter because the end result, the code is AB only. So order of selection does not matter. Hence, I have to select 2 letters out of 4 letters. That means number of participants that I can code will be 4 plus 4C2. Now 4C2 is nothing but, I will calculate here, 4 into 3, 4 factorial writing up to 2 terms, divide by whatever is here, that factorial. So 2 to the 4, 2 3s are 6. So 6 plus 4 is 10, right? Hence, that could not be my answer because I need to represent 12 participants. Option B, 5. So from 5 letters, how many participants you can code? 5 plus 5C2. And 5C2 is nothing but 5 into 4 divided by 2 factorial. That gives you 10, right? So 10 plus 5, that gives you even 15, right? Hence, by using 5 letters, you can code not just 12 participants, you can code 15 participants. Hence, I can conclude that the minimum number of letters required to represent 12 participants, to give code to 12 participants as per the conditions mentioned in the question will be 5. And why it will not be 4? Because by 4 letters, I can represent only 10 participants, right? So my work will not be done. That's why I need to increase one more letter. And from 5 letters, I will be able to code 12 participants. And in fact, I was able to code up to 15 participants if I had 5 letters. Hence, the answer has to be. So option B is my answer. So please apply the same logic in a variant of the same question. And please don't forget to post your answer in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye everyone.